Hi friends, this is Satish Rawal and today I am going to teach you some new words about coronavirus. In short, you can say it's a coronavirus vocabulary. All language teachers do this. They always seek an opportunity to say something new about language. New words are invented almost every day. Since we all know that coronavirus is spread all over the world and so many new words have also emerged, right? Maybe some words are not new, they are not invented new, but maybe some of the words were in dark, means people were not using those words, but since coronavirus has spread all over the world, we are using now. I have just noted down a few words on the board. I'll be also explaining the difference between the words, right? For example, I have written pandemic and epidemic. Pandemic and epidemic, both the words have demic word. Pandemic and epidemic. Okay. Both are about diseases actually, but when you talk in terms of epidemic, that spreads in a local area and person to person, right? It's not a, these diseases are not permanent there in that location and that locality. That's why it's called epidemic. On the other hand, when you talk about pandemic, it is spreading all over the nation or the world. Since everybody knows that coronavirus has attacked all over, spread all over, and so many, more than 5 lakh people have already died, right? India like country, more than 16,000 people have died. People are dying, right? Maybe some, all are not cases, are critical cases, but moderate cases are there, right? Some cases are who are being recovered also easily. The quarantine and also isolation, these two words also people get confused. They are similar in meaning, but there is a little difference. When you talk in terms of quarantine, this is a situation when a person, suppose you are not infected but you have gone to somewhere, some foreign country, you are coming back from there. So just to check the situation, you are kept in observation for at least 13-14 days, so that they will try to see the diagnosis. They are trying to check your symptoms, that whether you carry this coronavirus in your body or not. Isolation on the other hand is very easy to understand. When you isolate yourself, that means you are not going in public, you are not coming in contact with the people. So quarantine and isolation, in both cases, you see people are kept away, they are not permitted to go in public, so that because if suppose if I carry a virus, if I go in contact people will come in contact with their blood, touch me, right? Hands are the most riskiest thing here in the language, riskiest. Contagious and infection. It is very interesting. Some people think that they have the same thing. Contagious is something when you touch something, some surface, or someone who is infected with some sort of disease, then also you get infected. That is contagious. Infection spreads from person to person, people to people, and that's infectious, right? In short, I would like to tell you all contagious diseases are infectious, but all infectious diseases are not contagious. For example, suppose someone has got malaria, right? Okay, malaria is a thing that can be cured, but at the same time, it is not going to be spread through touch or contact or something. That's why it is infectious but not contagious. On the other hand, if you see coronavirus, right, it is contagious because it is spreading through the contacts only. When you touch somebody, when you touch a handle, door handle, or anywhere you touch, right, you have no idea whether it is infected or not infected. That's why people are using sanitizer. Sanitizer is good enough to you sanitize your hands, and we also suggest people to wash their hands from time to time with soap and water, so that virus is not going to spread. Then the word is asymptomatic. Asymptomatic is something, it is very different kind of situation. People have suppose virus with them, they are infected, but there is no such symptom. This means it's not able to diagnose their symptoms. In that situation, you can say that person is asymptomatic. CDC is an abbreviation of Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. CDC. Aerosol, airborne, is just like a transmission through air. When something spreads through air, it is called airborne or aerosol. Coronavirus is that. That's why people are suggesting you to cover your face with mask your face, right? Because when you mask, suppose somebody is suffering from that virus and they sneeze. When you sneeze, number of droplets come out of your mouth, right? Okay, the same droplets can be mixed with the air and you breathe in that air, and this is how you are going to be infected. That's why mask is necessary. I suggest you, whenever you go out in public, use mask. Okay, when you are alone at home, it's okay, no need to wear mask. When you are doing exercise, then also you don't need mask. Okay, but whenever you are in public, you keep in mind you have to cover your face. That's why, because it's airborne transmission. Community spread is something. Suppose some people have gone out foreign and they are traveler. Okay, when they are likely to spread the things. For example, I'd like to tell you, I don't know whether it is true or not, but one girl from China had gone to Spain, right? And that place, so many people were infected with that from that girl only. So this is community transmission. Communicable is a very simple word to understand. This is capable of being easily communicated or spread or spread. Communicated or spread or transmitted. That is communicable. If a disease is communicable, that will spread from person to person. Contact tracing is finding out all the people who are in direct contact with the infected people. Right? They say people you don't know actually with the word. Actually, there are so many people around us. We never know who is infected and who is not infected. Right? Who is positive and who is negative. It's not clear. Right? That's why contact tracing is that. COVID-19, a name is very popular nowadays. COVID-19 name is given because COVID is short form of coronavirus, and 19 because it was discovered in 2019. That's why they write COVID-19. Highly infectious respiratory disease. It's a respiratory disease because lung is attacked directly when virus enters your body. Discovered in China in December 2019. That's why the name is COVID-19. SARS, SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-2, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Physical distancing and social distancing are almost the same thing. Physical distancing is a very good safety for the safety purpose. When you maintain social distancing, do not come in contact with the people, at least 2-3 meters. You have to keep a distance with the people when you are talking to somebody, so that suppose in case they speak, when I speak actually, when people speak, they have some sort of droplets, minute droplets from your mouth, right? Okay, and that spreads in the air, and that air is being breathed by some other person, and this is how this is spreading. So that becomes physical distancing is necessary in that case. Lockdown, it strictly prohibits people. Lockdown is that thing when it strictly prohibits people. You are not allowed to go anywhere. You have to stay home, stay safe. Before I close this video, before I stop it, I would like to suggest you all to have safety. Try to stay home, wash your hands, cover your face with a mask. Hope you will find this video very much useful. Do keep in touch with me, and don't forget to press the bell icon. You have subscribed my channel. Thank you.